Hi everyone, in the front of me I've got a OnePlus Ace 2V and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So first of all, let's find and open the settings and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. Then we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find users and accounts. And of course, if you want, you can use Google section, but I prefer this one. So let me tap on it. And as you can see, right here, we've got the section with our accounts. I've got one currently added, but we can still add another one. So let's start with adding the account. Just tap on this option and tap on Google. Here in this step, we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. And a quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address because after tapping on next, your device will autofill it. So here we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. All right, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here you've got the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Alright, and as you can see, instead of only one account, we've got this Google section, so after tapping on it, you can check that we've just successfully added our Google account to this device. Of course, if you want to, you can remove it just by tapping on the particular account and tapping on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Tap on remove account, tap on remove account again, and let me remove this one also. Alright, and as you can see, they will immediately disappear. The whole Google section in this users and accounts option will disappear. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.